Hudson, what sound does a kitty make?
Meow.
What sound does a puppy make?
Woof woof.
What sound does a pig make?
Onk.
What sound does a duck make?
Cluck cluck.
What sound does a
Kitty.
kitty? You already did kitty.
Oh.
What sound does a lion make?
Wow.
What sound does a horse make?
May.
Good. What sound does a cow make?
No.
A cow.
Oh. I want to try that.
Okay, what sound does a donkey make?
Oh, cow.
Oh, what sound does a cow make?
Moo.
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 What sound does a donkey make?
Huh? Donkey.
Donkey.
It's a donkey. Donkey.
Who says, wee-haw?
This is donkey. This is donkey. This is donkey.
Donkey says, ee-aw, ee-aw.
Eat-on.
Good job. Who says, wee-haw?
Eat-haw.
Ee-haw.
What's the make of me?
So the horsey says?
May.
What sound does a lion make?
Yeah.
What sound does a lion make? Very good, Huddy. How old are you? 2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
Stop it. Stop it.
Tomorrow's Easter. You know who's coming?
Stop it.
The Easter Bunny's coming.
Stop it.
What does a bunny do? What's a bunny do?
Stop it.
Aw.
So nice. That's not a dragon. That's my dragon.
That's your dragon.
That my mama. That my baby. That my baby.
What sound does a baby make? What sound does a baby make?
What? That my baby.
That's your baby. What sound does a baby make?
Hey, that baby's crying.
That baby's crying.
That baby crying. That old animals. That's my baby.
That's my baby. That's Fozzie.
That Fozzie.
Mm-hmm.
That your mama.
Yeah.
That's yours.
Yeah.
That's yours.
Yeah.
That's yours. That's yours.
Yeah.
This.
That's yours.
That's yours.